Meaning of frock.
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 Frock. The word frock can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One definition of frock is a woman's dress or gown, typically with a full skirt and made of a lighter material. In a historical context, a frock could refer to a long, loose garment worn by monks or friars. The term frock coat also refers to a formal men's jacket, typically worn with a top hat and dress pants. Overall, frock can refer to various types of clothing, but often implies a more formal or traditional style.